my husband's still out of the country, and when he gets home, he will see Margot for the first time. And today, Margot is coming. So Maggie and Margot is gonna meet for the first time. So watch out, guys. I'm excited.
He's like, what is this?
Hi. Maggie, I have somebody. Margot.
Is it okay if I set him up?
Yeah.
Let's see how she reacts.
Aww.
She might hiss at first. It takes some time, but I don't know. All cats react differently.
That's Margot. Aww.
See, she'll hiss a little bit. She'll get used to him though.
Maggie, don't be mad. I don't think she like it.
No, with our cats, they did the same thing with the kittens.
Oh, okay.
And then asked each other and they're playing now.
Okay.
So don't like that at first, especially
Okay.
with like, she's never been around another cat, right?
No.
No.
So cute. You're too cute.
Looks like he likes it here though.
Yeah. You like it here, Margot? You're not gonna cry. You're not gonna cry.
So what is it? Be nice.
Be nice, Maggie.
She's like, I don't think so. He's like, I want to be friends.
Oh, Maggie, that's not good.
Watching them, just the hissing. Oh my gosh. It's almost like she's gonna attack him, but she isn't.
Maggie, be nice, baby. Be nice. I think he's comfortable already. What's the matter, baby? You don't like him? Oh, you like him? Here, you play with him. Look at him. Margot. 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 Margot's playing. Oh, come on, you play with him. Aww. What's the matter, Maggie? What's the matter? What's the matter? That's not very nice. That's not very nice. That's not very nice. Come here. It's okay, baby. You're still my baby. Margot. Margot. Yeah, your name is Maggie. Look at him, he's playing. Look at him, he's playing. You don't like it? Yeah? So you want me to send him home? You want me to send him home? You want me to send him back? Yeah? Oh boy. You know I love you. You know I love you. I know I love you, baby. I know. It's okay. Every time Margot will see you, you growl at him. Or you hiss at him. Poor boy. Huh? You don't like him? Come here, Margot. Say hello to Maggie. Come here, Margot. 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 Oh. It is okay, baby. Yeah, it's okay. You don't like him? You don't like him, baby? You don't like him? He's such a baby. He's such a baby like you. No? Look at him. He's just playing there. Oops. Mom. Margot. Say hello to Maggie, Margot. Margot. Say hello to Maggie. Hmm? You're okay. Oh, you're not okay? Oh, poor Maggie. You're okay. Daddy's gonna be home soon. Uh-oh.